Hi guys, welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today the short one, I want to unbox this Aukey USB adapter. It comes in the pack from Amazon. It says 2-pack right here. 2-pack, 1-pack or 3-pack it comes in. Made in China is black or white. These two go green with Aukey. That's what it says. Made in China. So let's unbox. So USB 3A to C adapter Aukey. So let's open it up. Nice. They got some pretty 24 months product warranty. Alright, and all this information about the company. Neat card. I want to keep it here. Then there's a documentation of Aukey user manual with all the USB-A, USB-C. And this is how the two adapters look like. Let's open this one up. So this is the USB-C to USB-A adapter with new MacBook Pro. It has a little bit of plastic on it. Let's unwrap it. Nice, looks pretty good. So you can have your USB cable, or you can have anything else. USB cable in there, a USB hard drive, all those things you can plug in. For example, if I need to plug in this, it goes like that, any USB, and this portion can go into USB-C. Now with new MacBooks and the new computers, they have USB-C connectors, so that's where it comes handy. There's 2-pack, very minimum, under 10 bucks, that you can get from Amazon. Highly recommended. If you have all the old USBs devices, right? We're gonna use it, and hopefully it will work. It's gonna be great. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll tell you more once we start using it, how it end up going. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, like this videos. Thank you.